Hello and welcome back to How to Set Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable and use voice control on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! In order to enable the voice control itself, you simply want to expand your control center, just like that, and you want to click the little guy talking icon. And now our voice control is enabled, but how can we exactly use it? Well, let's head into preferences, let's scroll down a little and let's go into voice control. As you can see, we can also enable it here, we can also change its language, because by default it's English, and lastly we have comments. And as you can see, this is a list of every single comment. I will go through it slowly, just so you can check it out. But by default you have the capture, start recording, stop recording, etc. So for example, we can now leave and we can test it out. So let's move to the main screen. I said to the main screen, thank you, and let's try it. GoPro, start recording. Oops, we didn't get it. GoPro, capture. GoPro, start recording. Maybe it's my accent. Hard to tell. Let's simply make sure that we have it enabled. But yeah, we do. So technically it should be working, and also I'm in a pretty quiet space, as you can probably hear. So let me try one more time. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Bummers. Unfortunately, the feature seems to not work properly. Maybe my microphone is weird or something. I don't know. I've recorded things before and mic sounds okay. So it's sad to see that this feature isn't working properly, and it doesn't appear that I have to set it up because it is in English. We do have, like, come on man, you can do it. I believe in you. Let's try to take a photo with the GoPro. So, GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, take a photo. Oh my god, it did work. I have no idea how we can actually make it working. Let me enable the sounds back because maybe it plays some sort of sound. GoPro, start capture. Oh, actually it's not in the... Okay, maybe it's in the wrong mode, so let's try it one more time. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, take a photo. Okay, let's maybe switch to the video. And let's go now. GoPro, capture. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, start recording. Well, I don't really want to scream for too long because, come on, it also gets pretty boring. But as you can see, the feature seems to not work properly, which is unfortunate, to say at least. But anyway, that's all for the tutorial on how to enable and technically how to use it. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.